Greetings, Globetrotters. Uncharted Escape TV is back, ready to quench your thirst for adventure. Today we set our sights on the land of the rising sun, Japan. This vibrant nation boasts a rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty. From bustling metropolises to serene mountain landscapes, Japan offers something for every explorer. But beyond the iconic landmarks, there's a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So, buckle up as we unveil some of Japan's lesser-known highlights, guaranteed to elevate your experience from ordinary to extraordinary. History buffs, rejoice. Venture beyond the renowned temples of Kyoto and explore the serene Takayama, a charming town showcasing preserved Edo period architecture. Wander along Sanmachi-suji, a district lined with traditional wooden buildings, and soak in the atmosphere of a bygone era. For the nature enthusiasts, Japan's volcanic landscapes offer breathtaking backdrops. Hike the majestic trails of Mount Fuji, or witness the ethereal beauty of the Japanese Alps. Seeking a serene escape? Kayak through the crystal-clear waters of the hidden lakes in Neko National Park, surrounded by lush greenery. Japan is a haven for gourmands. Ditch the tourist traps and delve into local specialties. In Osaka, savor the melt-in-your-mouth goodness of takoyaki, octopus dumplings, cooked by street vendors. Explore the vibrant Tsukiji Outer Market in Tokyo, where the freshest seafood awaits. Immerse yourself in Japan's rich culture. Attend a traditional tea ceremony, where tranquility reigns supreme. Learn the art of calligraphy, a meditative practice with a beautiful end result. In the evening, unwind in a cozy ryokan, Japanese inn, and experience Japan's renowned hospitality. This is just a taste of the hidden wonders Japan has to offer. So pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on your own uncharted escape to Japan. Konnichiwa, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're setting off on an adventure through the electrifying neon lights and serene temples of Japan. Our odyssey begins in the heart of Tokyo, a vibrant metropolis pulsating with energy. Shibuya Crossing, a pedestrian scramble etched into pop culture, is a must-do. Imagine the thrill of being swept across the street amidst a sea of humanity. For a sensory overload, dive into Shinjuku, where towering skyscrapers and dazzling neon signs create a futuristic cityscape. Craving a taste of history? Kyoto, the former imperial capital, beckons. Here, ancient temples like Kiyomizu-dera, perched on top of a mountain with panoramic city views, offer a glimpse into Japan's rich past. Immerse yourself in the Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, its gleaming facade reflecting the tranquility of its surrounding pond. The vibrant Gion district, with its geisha houses and traditional tea shops, transports you back in time. But Japan's magic extends far beyond the tourist hotspots. Intrepid explorers, let's venture off the beaten path. Nestled in the Japanese Alps, Hakuba Valley offers breathtaking scenery and a laid-back vibe. Hike through verdant forests, witness the majestic snow-capped peaks, or experience the thrill of winter sports. For a taste of coastal charm, head to Kanazawa, often dubbed Little Kyoto. Explore the Kenroku-en Garden, a masterpiece of landscape design, and wander through the charming Nagamachi Samurai District, lined with traditional wooden houses. The vibe here is one of tranquility, a stark contrast to the bustling Tokyo streets. Foodies, rejoice! Ditch the generic ramen shops and delve into the heart of Osaka, a city renowned for its street food culture. Sample the sizzling goodness of okonomiyaki, savory pancakes, from street vendors, or savor the fresh catch at Dotonbori, a lively district with a distinctly local atmosphere. Japan is a land where ancient traditions thrive alongside modern innovations. Experience the serenity of a traditional tea ceremony, where every detail, from the whisking of matcha to the arrangement of sweets, is imbued with meaning. For the adventurous, try a night in a ryokan, a Japanese inn where tatami mats and futon beds provide a unique and authentic experience. Immerse yourself in the warmth of Japanese hospitality as you soak in a soothing onsen. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a wide-eyed newcomer, Japan promises an unforgettable experience. From the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, and from the snow-capped peaks of Hakuba to the charming streets of Kanazawa, every corner offers a unique encounter. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and let Uncharted Escape TV guide you on a journey to discover the popular delights and hidden gems of Japan. Japan is a land where ancient traditions seamlessly blend with neon-lit modernity. Buckle up as we unveil 3 must-see experiences, each offering a unique glimpse into the soul of this captivating country. Number 1. Tokyo, a city that never sleeps. Our adventure begins in the heart of Tokyo, a city that pulsates with an unrivaled energy. Imagine a sensory overload in the best way possible. Shibuya Crossing, etched into pop culture with its chaotic pedestrian scramble, is a must-do. Feel the electric thrill of being swept across the street amidst a sea of humanity. Insider tip: head to the Starbucks on the 2nd floor of the Magono building for a bird's-eye view of the crossing. Visit during rush hour, 8 a.m. or 6 p.m., to witness the full spectacle. Hidden gem: escape the crowds and head to Harajuku, a haven for quirky fashion and youth culture. Stroll down Takeshita Street, a kaleidoscope of brightly colored hair, platform shoes, and vintage clothing stores. The best time to visit is in spring, March to May, which offers pleasant weather and beautiful cherry blossoms. Kyoto, a journey through time. Next, we embark on a historical odyssey of Kyoto, the former imperial capital. Here, temples and shrines whisper tales of the past. Kiyomizu-dera, perched precariously on a mountainside, offers breathtaking city views. Capture its iconic image reflected in the serene waters of its adjoining pond. Insider tip: rent a traditional yukata, summer kimono, to enhance your temple visits. Arrive early, before 8 a.m., to avoid the crowds at Kiyomizu-dera. Hidden gem: step off the beaten path and wander through the Arashiyama bamboo grove. Towering stalks of bamboo create a mystical tunnel, perfect for capturing serene photos and experiencing a sense of tranquility. The best time to visit is in spring and fall, offering the most comfortable temperatures and vibrant landscapes. Avoid peak tourist season, Golden Week in late April to early May, and Obon in mid-August. Number 3. Mount Fuji, awe-inspiring majesty. No trip to Japan is complete without witnessing the majestic Mount Fuji, a dormant volcano and national icon. Hike through verdant forests on one of the many trails leading to the summit, or for a less strenuous experience, take a scenic cable car ride up Mount Takao for breathtaking panoramic views. Insider tip: for the best chance of clear skies and stunning views, aim to climb Mount Fuji during the climbing season, July to September. Accommodation at mountain huts books up quickly, so plan well in advance. Hidden gem: looking for a unique perspective? Lake Kawaguchiko offers a picture-perfect reflection of Mount Fuji. Take a boat ride on the lake or rent a bicycle for a leisurely exploration of the surrounding area. The best time to visit is in spring and fall, offering pleasant hiking conditions. Winter offers stunning snowy landscapes, but be prepared for extremely cold temperatures and potential closures. Unforgettable Japan awaits. This is just a taste of the captivating experiences that await in Japan. From the electrifying energy of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Mount Fuji, and from the historical treasures of Kyoto to hidden gems off the beaten path, each encounter promises to leave a lasting impression. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of Japanese hospitality, and let's guide you on an unforgettable adventure through the land of the rising sun. Japan is a haven for gourmands, offering a delectable journey that goes far beyond sushi, though that's a must-try too. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a symphony of flavors and textures. Ramen. This ubiquitous noodle soup comes in countless variations. Slurp down steaming bowls of rich tonkotsu ramen, pork broth, in Kyushu, or savor the lighter shoyu ramen, soy sauce broth, in Tokyo. Tempura. Light and crispy, tempura features seasonal seafood and vegetables dipped in a savory sauce. Watch in awe as skilled chefs expertly batter and fry these delights. Okonomiyaki. Imagine a savory pancake. That's okonomiyaki. This Osaka specialty is customizable with cabbage, meat, seafood, and a variety of toppings. Be sure to try the fluffy Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki layered with noodles. Gyoza. These pan-fried dumplings come filled with juicy pork and vegetables. Enjoy them with a dipping sauce and a side of piping hot rice. Donburi. For a comforting meal, try a donburi, a rice bowl topped with savory ingredients. Savor the melt-in-your-mouth goodness of gyudon, beef bowl, or relish the explosion of flavors in a seafood-filled kaizendan. Don't just eat, experience. Take a cooking class and learn to prepare these dishes yourself. Explore lively food markets overflowing with fresh produce and local specialties. Immerse yourself in Japanese food culture and discover a world of culinary delights. Japan's well-trodden paths offer undeniable charm, but true adventurers crave the unexpected. Look beyond the iconic landmarks and discover these hidden gems that promise an unforgettable experience. Yakushima Island, nicknamed the Island of Moss. Yakushima is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, shrouded in an ethereal mist. Hike through ancient forests draped in vibrant green moss, encounter cascading waterfalls, and witness the island's unique wildlife. Gujo Hachiman. Escape the urban sprawl and step back in time in Gujo. Hachiman, a charming town nestled in the Japanese Alps. Wander through preserved wooden streets lined with traditional merchant houses and soak up the historic atmosphere. Be sure to try the town's signature dish, hoba miso, a flavorful grilled vegetable dish served on magnolia leaves. Shirakawa-go. Nestled amidst the Japanese Alps, Shirakawa-go is a fairy tale come to life. These gas show-style farmhouses with their steeply thatched roofs resemble giant hands clasped in prayer. Explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site and experience the tranquility of a bygone era. These are just a few of the countless hidden treasures waiting to be discovered in Japan. Embrace the spirit of exploration, venture off the beaten path, and be rewarded with authentic experiences and breathtaking beauty. Here's our travel hacks to maximize your adventure. Embrace the IC card. Ditch cash for a rechargeable IC card like Suica or Pasmo for effortless travel on public transport. Pack light. Japan's efficient transportation system makes lugging a heavy suitcase a hassle. Opt for versatile clothing and utilize laundry facilities. Explore convenience stores. It offers everything from snacks and drinks to ready-made meals. Perfect for budget-friendly bites on the go. Respect the culture. Learn basic Japanese phrases and customs. Be mindful of noise levels and etiquette in public spaces. Embrace the seasons. Spring offers cherry blossoms. Fall boasts vibrant foliage and summer beckons with beach escapes. Plan your trip around your preferred experiences. Here's out key takeaways. Experience the electrifying energy of Tokyo and the historical treasures of Kyoto. Hike the slopes of Mount Fuji and witness its awe-inspiring beauty. Explore hidden gems like Yakushima Island, Gujo Hachiman, and Shirakawa-go. Savor the diverse flavors of Japanese cuisine, from ramen and tempura to okonomiyaki and gyoza. Embrace the culture, learn basic phrases, and be a respectful guest. Uncharted Escape TV encourages you to pack your bags and start planning your dream Japan adventure. Let us know in the comments below what excites you most about visiting Japan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures.